Hey there everyone, Florida Man here at the workshop. As you can tell, it is not beach weather right now. It's getting a bit too warm, so now all the ice is turning to slush. Let me show you what I'm working on today. Good shit in here actually. Got a little burner going, and I am working on cutting holes for all these guys. So today we're making the main hatch, as you see right here on the finished product. It's pretty simple, just a little protractor here. Get some measurements, do those on the sides. Put our template on, and we start cutting.